In front of me is Blackview Tab 16 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off auto rotation. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Auto Rotate shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is blue, which means that auto rotation is on. To switch it off, click on the same shortcut. If you want to, you can also access devices settings and click on display. Then click on this switcher next to auto rotate screen to turn it on or off as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!